AI for business will never be the same for you after seeing this. Imagine you need a plan for a marketing campaign for your new skincare product. Normally, you would go to ChatGPT and write something like this. Some part of the outcome is helpful, but you know that most of it is useless, so you don't even waste time reading the full answer. It's not because AI is weak, but because you treated it like a longtime employee who understands everything about your business. Well, it's not. Introducing Briefing Fox. Here's what you should do. Go to briefingfox.com, write the same input, and set up the configuration. It will analyze your goal and take you through a briefing process. It is asking me to be specific about a certain word that I used. In what region am I planning to run the campaign? How much is the budget? What are my product's advantages, etc. Entering all these data enables AI to give you the specific solutions tailored for your case, completely changing the picture. After you're done, you will get a professional brief, prepared for your favorite AI. After you launch it, you will instantly feel the difference. You didn't just use AI better, you rediscovered its power.